do our best to predict which way they're going to go. And we're about to go live on YouTube. Well, we're live on YouTube right now. On TikTok. Here we go. That's why the phone is in front of me. Yeah, buddy. So we'll wait for some of them to roll in. What's up, everybody? We're going to look at some charts today and try to predict which way the prices are going to go. What's up, everybody? We're going to try to predict which way the prices are going to go today. What do you think about that? Most asked thing I get, I'm just going to wait for some people to roll in. Or maybe we should just start. Give me some likes if you think we should just start diving into the charts here and see where we think the price is going to go. Let's see some likes flying in. Hey, I got a rose already. That's awesome. Thank you. I see 0 likes in so far. See some likes flying in, and we will start diving into the chart and start trying to figure out which way these prices are going to go. I'm also going to let you guys request, what coins you want to look at, and then we'll go dive deep into the chart if you request it, and we will see what we can find. Right? There's some likes flying in. First thing we're going to look at is Bitcoin, but go ahead and drop in the chat some coins you want to look at. We're going to dive deep in the charts here and use the chart and our special indicator to try to help us predict which way the prices are going to go. So let's dive right into YouTube. We're streaming live on YouTube and TikTok. All this stuff will get published on the YouTube channel, which of course is dailycryptobull.com. So we got the old Bitcoin chart up right now. The old Bitcoin chart. So as we look here, we're in the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what we got going on here. Typically what we want to look for are divergences, which, see this red line here? That's a divergence. That typically tells us price is going to change direction. If we see it going up, like we do here, this little green line, that typically tells us price is going to go up. And here it did. It went up some. You never know how much it's going to go up or down. Typically, when you see something like this, where they're much bigger waves, typically you're going to have a bigger drop, and that's what we had here. So let's go to current time Bitcoin. Do we see any divergences? By the way, how divergences work is, you see this red dot right here? This indicator here is Lever Atlas. It's my own custom indicator. You can get it on my website, dailycryptobull.com. So there's a free trial for it, or the link in my TikTok bio. But this red dot right here indicates the top of price action. So it lines up with right here, right? And you see this red dot. So red, but it's much lower than this red dot, so that's going down while price is going up, because this red dot goes with up here. Price going up, momentum going down, boom, went down. And we print another dot down here, even lower than all the other ones. So momentum still going down, price went up even higher, and boom, just like that. So that's Bitcoin. Let's see if we can see anything here. I don't see anything on the Bitcoin chart that tells me what's going to happen here. It looks like it's riding pretty sideways, and Lever Atlas isn't giving me any divergences. So nothing on the Bitcoin chart. Go ahead and drop a coin that you want to look at. Drop a coin you want to look at in the chat here on TikTok, and we'll dive in. We'll look at it. What coins do you want to look at? Drop one in. We'll try to figure out which way the price is going to go. Cat Girl? I have some Cat Girl. I don't know if that will be in here because there's not a trading pair for it. So Cat Girl is actually not in here. That's such an kind of obscure coin that it's not in here. Most coins are, but not all of them. Give me another one. Give me a different coin. H-bar. H-bar should be in here. Let's pull up H-bar. There we go. We'll go off Bitstamp. Why not? Let's see if we can see what's going on with H-bar. So we had a divergence here, right? You see this red dot correlating to this topping out of price, and then this slightly lower red dot correlating to this higher price coming up, momentum going down, especially right here, and then we had a big old drop, right? Actually, that happened here too, because this red dot actually goes with this high right here, and this lower red dot goes with this higher high, and then we had this big old drop. But let's take a look here. Do we see anything on H-bar at the moment? We did have these dots print that told us it was going to come down, right? Because price was going up, momentum was going down, and price is coming down. Looks like it's still going down. We don't have a dot printed here yet, so price may have stabilized, but it seems to be at least still going down for the moment. What was another one we have? We have AMP. Let's take a look at AMP. Let's try to find some coins that we can tell what they're going to do. Oh, this is interesting. Look at this. Oh, that's interesting. Dang, we just missed this one with AMP, right? Because you see this green dot down here? It correlates to this low, and then this green dot here. So momentum's coming up, price is going down, and then it's still going up with this green dot. So momentum going down, momentum going up, price going down. And what happened? AMP just turned up to go up. Went from about 5.6 cents, went up to almost 6 cents. So that's a pretty good move. That's a pretty good move. I mean, that's almost 10%, probably about 8%. But looks like we just missed that one. So that would have been good to see right here down at this bottom, just go boop like that. So Lever Atlas showed us that. What other coins we got here? Shin Chan, that's not going to be on here. That's way too... Algo? Let's look up Algo. Algo should be on here. There we go. Let's go to Algo. See if we can see anything here. So we just had this divergence happen. So again, what you want to look for here, when you're looking at the price and you're using Lever Atlas, that's this indicator down here. You can get it on my site. There's a free trial for it actually. What you want to look for are divergences. So here is a bullish divergence. Let me tell you what that is quick. See here, price is going up, right? Making a higher high, but momentum is going down because this red dot right here correlates to this top. This red dot correlates to this top. So since this is a higher high, if everything was normal, this red dot would actually be higher than this one, so it'd be more up here. Price went up, momentum went down. What happened? Whoosh, swoop, just like that. But what's interesting, well, it may even come, probably won't come, I don't know if it'll come down anymore. But what's interesting is we're waiting for this to come around here and print another green dot on the bottom. It's possible, like for instance, what we would want to see, because this bottom right here correlates with these dots right here. If this price comes down lower, like say down here, but we have a green dot print up here, right? So in that case, price will go down and momentum will go up. That will be a bullish divergence, and that's a good way. Hey, I see some flexes come in, thank you. That would be a good way to know that, hey, price is going to change direction because that is a bullish divergence. So that's something to look out here. So when you're looking at these charts, that's something to look at here. By the way, none of this is financial advice. It's all speculation. I'm just showing you what I do to help predict this stuff. And I have a pretty damn good track record. Actually, if we go over here to my Bybit account, you'll see my last, I don't even know. All these trades here, they're all profit. This is my Ethereum. This is all just free Ethereum that I got by doing these trades exactly like I'm showing you, looking for these bullish and bearish divergences. All this is free Ethereum that I'm getting by trading. It doesn't cost me a penny. I actually just put out a free course, actually. If you go to dailycryptobull.com or the link in my TikTok bio, it'll take you over to my site, and you can get a free trial of Lever Atlas. And if you take the free trial, you actually get a whole free trading course that I put together that I normally charge $300 for, but you'll get it for free, regardless of you get a free trial on Lever Atlas, and whether you continue with that or not, you'll get to keep the whole course free. But anyways, so this was a bearish divergence right here, right? Momentum going down, price going up, whoosh, down just like that. Now again, if we see this come down and print lower than this, right? So say it comes down to like here, but yet we have a green dot print up here, higher than this one, so momentum would be going up, price would be coming down. That is a bullish divergence, and that would go up. Give me another coin we're gonna look at. I see Polygon there. Let's pull up Polygon. I suppose that would be Matic though. Let's take a look. See, you keep giving me coins until we find something that's about to go. So we missed this one here, right? We have this green dot, this bottom, and then this bottom. So price definitely came down, momentum going up, and this has been a nice little gain here from that spot. But on Polygon, I'm not seeing anything too indicative of what's going to happen. I mean, if this comes up, if this were to come up and make a higher high, right, than say this one over here, actually, if it were to come up and do that, but this red dot printed lower, then we might see a bearish divergence, expecting price to come down. But I'm not seeing anything on Matic. Give me, hey, I got some bread, thank you. Give me another coin. Give me another coin, somebody. We'll keep going through here, see if we can like nail something and find something. Because you can't just force these things. You got to wait for these trades to come to you. But for instance, this would have been a good one, right? If we see this price going down, momentum going up, this would have been a really good spot to get in and get those gains. And what's amazing about Floki Inu is too small. It's not going to be on here. Oh, XRP. Let's take a look at XRP. What's interesting about trading too, again, you can get I have a whole course I just put out for free, is if you take me up on the trial of Lever Atlas, this indicator down here, you'll get the whole course for free. What's fascinating about trading is you can actually make money when the price goes down. And when I say make money, I mean actually you get crypto. In trading, you get crypto when the price goes your way. If you do a long and the price goes up, you get more XRP in this case. If you do a short and the price goes down, you get more XRP. Pretty fast, pretty awesome, awesome, awesome stuff. So let's look at XRP here. So these lines I have up here, these are ones I drew a long time ago. These are actually Fibonacci lines. And the way you do that is you just click this over here. Here's a fib extension and a fib retracement. But you draw these and they kind of give you good zones of support and resistance. And you can see these are pretty solid. Like look, this red line right here, it's holding pretty good support, meaning that it's kind of a floor holding the price above a certain level. And resistance would mean it's holding the price below a certain level, okay? But it looks like this line here is acting as pretty good support. For this, let's take a look at the chart. Nothing is really standing out. I don't see any divergences. Looks like a lot of things are trading sideways because again, we started this whole stream with Bitcoin and it's trading pretty sideways. So it makes sense that some other things would be trading sideways also. So I don't see anything on the XRP chart, but like for instance back here, we had this red dot print for this high and this lower red dot print for this higher high. Price came up, momentum going down. What happened? Boom, down to here. Same thing down here. We had this low and this low, price coming down, momentum going up. What happened? Whoop, all the way up. Give me another coin. Who's got another one? AGI, oh, Phantom. Phantom should be on here. Let's look at Phantom. Again, this indicator I'm using is my own indicator. It's called Lever Atlas. You can get a free trial of it at my website. Link in my TikTok bio, or you can just go to dailycryptobull.com. Let's see if we got anything here. This is getting kind of interesting. See, things are kind of going sideways here too. This is kind of interesting though. Check this out. So we have this red dot correlating to this top. Now prices come up because this is a higher top here, but we have this red dot. Let's line this up here. God, they're too close to tell. I think this dot here is a little bit lower than this one, and the price did come down some, but it's just ever so slight. I usually like to see a dot come above this hard printed white line you see right here, this hard dotted white line right there, not the one I'm moving around, but the one that's fixed. I like to see a dot print above it before I start really taking it seriously. So this is kind of like my anchor wave is what I call them, or what they're called rather, not even what I call them, that's just what they're called. And God, this one worked out really nicely here. We had that dot print, price was going up, momentum going down, whoop. And then we had this dot here, print 2 for this. God, that was so juicy. Price going up, momentum going down. Boy, that's a big drop. What's amazing is if you do a short here, you actually end up with a hell of a lot more XR or Phantom in this case down here than when you had up here if you do a short. Again, I have a whole free course if you want to take it. Take me up on the free trial of Lever Atlas and you'll get that whole course for free no matter what. VeChain, good one. I love me some VeChain. Let's see here. Let's have some likes flying in. We only have 186 likes. Come on, go ahead and smash the likes. Pump me up to like 1,000 likes before we dive into this. Come on, you guys can do it real quick. Let's get to 1,000 likes. Smash those likes. They're coming in really slowly. Go ahead and share this too. Let's get some other people in on this because what I'm sharing with you is really, really powerful. Let's try to find some goodies. So price here is staying about the same. I wouldn't say either of these are real higher than the other. And it looks like, ooh, damn. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the confetti. That's awesome. Thank you. So price is going kind of sideways. Momentum slightly going up, so I'd call that a positive sign since the price is kind of staying sideways. So with V-chain, but there's no strong divergence, because what I really want to see here is I want to see, oh, and we had one here, back here, it looks like around 4 in the morning on November 12th, which today's November 12th, right? So we have this green dot, go to this bottom, and then price is going down, and this bottom correlates to this green dot. So price went down, momentum went up, and what happened? It went up. So powerful having something like this. And the same thing happened here. Look at this green dot to this bottom, and then this bottom down here, but look how far it dropped. But yet momentum's still higher over here. Price going down, momentum going up, went up, just like that. Who's got, what's another coin we got here? I see CWT. I don't know if that will be in here. I'm not even sure what CWT is, not that it matters. Yeah, CWT is not in here. Give me another coin. What do we want to look at? What do we want to look at? Throw another coin out there for us to look at. We're going to find something. We're going to find an opportunity somewhere. AGIX, I really don't, I mean, if they're way small coins, there may not be a trading pair anywhere. Well, AGIX is in here. Let's take a look. Again, trading pretty sideways. Looks like it's going pretty congruent. See what I mean? Like this red dot goes to this top, price is going up, momentum's going up, right? Momentum's going up down here, price is going down from up here, momentum's going down from here. So that makes sense. But again, same thing applies back here. Let me pull this down a little bit if my computer will decide that I get to operate it. Here we go. This red dot goes to this top, price went up, here's a higher high, but yet this red dot's lower. What happened? Price came down. And this red dot is lower still because we're going off of this red dot. So momentum going down, price still going up. What happened? Down, down, down. Well, that's a freaking juicy one. If you do a short on that, oh my goodness. You'd have so much more AGX down here than you had at the top if you did a short on that. Wow. Again, there's a free trial for this Lever Atlas tool on my website. Links in the TikTok bio. Or you can just go to dailycryptobull.com, and I got a whole free course too. I'm going to keep repeating that because new people keep coming into the chat. So I just keep repeating it because there's no way for me to really post it on here. Block? Oh, as in like, I like Block. Good old metaverse project. That should be in here. Yep, Blocktopia and Tether. That'll work. Let's take a look. That's a stable coin. Oh, we just missed one. We just missed one. Look at that. So we had this. Price went down. Momentum going up. I mean, technically momentum went up a bit here too, but it didn't come down a ton. But price went down. Momentum went up. Momentum went up just a little bit, right? That's why Lever Atlas kind of drew this line for us. Boy, that thing took off. But I'm not seeing anything telling us anything for sure that's going to happen. We could go to a shorter time frame, like the 30-minute. Let's check that out. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, we kind of found something here. Check this out. So look at this. So we got this red dot up here, right? And it correlates to this top. And then we got this red dot correlating to this top. So price has come up. But momentum has slightly come down because this red dot is a little bit lower than this one. And what do? We started coming down, but I actually think Blocktopia here is going to come down some more. And we've seen this wave really come down. This is something to really watch out for. I wouldn't doubt if what happens is this curves up and prints a slightly higher high and then a lower red dot. And then that's a sign to really pounce to take a short. So this is one, Blocktopia, I think, is one to really watch out for, to take a little bit of a dip and take a short on. That's a good one. Throw another coin in the mix. Let's take a look. We'll start looking at multiple time frames too on the other coins going forward. How about Sand for Sandbox? I'm a big fan of the Sandbox, that's for sure. Let's see here. We got anything going on here? We just missed this little dip right here. And this one's interesting because, yeah, this red dot right here is lower than this red dot, but price came up, and what happened? It went down. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame, see if we see something. Oh yeah, it was just Lever Atlas was giving us all kinds of signs that momentum was coming down. And there it goes, down, down, down. Oh, I wouldn't call this a bullish divergence because this, yeah, I wouldn't call this a bullish divergence, but it looks like things are slowing down. Throw another coin in the chat. What's another coin y'all want to look at? Mana, that's a good one. Let's take a look. Mana just went down quite a bit, actually, I think. Let's see if Lever Atlas would have called it. Let's go. Yeah, it did. Look at this. See this red dot? Correlates with this top. This one going down. Although it's not a higher high. That's quite a drop, but I wouldn't have said that that was a bullish, bearish divergence. But what I would have said was this one right here. This red dot going to this one, right? Price definitely going up like it did here. Price went up, momentum went down. But this dot right here is still lower than this one. So this is the one I'd be going off of. Price came up, momentum going down ever so slightly, and that's fine as long as it's going down. Boom, there we go. And of course, this one kind of called it too, although I wouldn't have quite called this one because this isn't price going higher right here. So I don't know about that one. Oh, but this is interesting. Oh, here we go. 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 Let's zoom in on that. Let's zoom in on that. Let's zoom in on that. I think we found a bullish divergence. So I think we're going to see mana price come up. Check this out. This right here, this bottom correlates with this bottom, right? This green dot. And then this spot right here. Now it hasn't printed yet, the green dot, but it looks like it's gonna, and clearly it shows momentum's coming up, but price has come down. See, this is a lower bottom than that one. So this looks like, to me, this is a strong sign that we may have a price reversal and price will go up. You never know how much it's gonna go up or down, but this is showing me that I think price is gonna come back up. Maybe it only goes to here, maybe it goes up to here, maybe it goes way past here, I don't know. But it looks to me like this is a good spot to take a long on mana. That's what I would say, right? Price is coming down, momentum's going up. Looks like a good spot to take a long on mana. Even if I placed the long here and it came down a bit more, I wouldn't be nervous about it. I don't need to time the exact bottom at all. But it looks to me like momentum's going up. Let's go to the hour time frame. What did we see there? And probably nothing on the hour time frame. I usually like to trade off the hour time frame though. Let's go to the 15-minute. See if we see anything extra there. Yeah, we're starting to see these divergences form here too. Right? Look at this. Momentum going up, price going down, and that green dot printed, so momentum's really starting to shift up. This just looks like a good spot for a long, to me, for sure. For sure. Again, if you just hopped on the stream, you can get this tool down here, Lever Atlas. You can get on my website, get a free trial to it, dailycryptobull.com, or you can just click the link in the TikTok bio. And along with the free trial, you get a whole free trading course, which is how I'm able to get Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these other coins for free without costing me a cent. And that's not an exaggeration. That's exactly what it is. So there we go with mana. Mana looks like there might be some opportunity to take a long there. What else do we got? What's another coin we want to look at? Yeah, the indicator is Lever Atlas. Lever ATLAS. It's my own custom indicator. So you get it on my website, dailycryptobull.com, or the link in my TikTok bio, which is a slightly different link, but it'll take you to the same place. And I got a free trial up for it right now. Plus you get a free trading course with it. Give me another coin. Let's look at another coin. Who's got another coin they want to look at? Let's try to find something. Mana looks like a good spot to buy. Looks like a good spot to buy, in my opinion. Cody, I'm not sure about that one, if that'll be on here. Looks like I think it is. Let's take a look at Cody. Oh, interesting. God, we just missed this one. So we had price coming up, momentum going down, and what happened? Price is going down. So we just missed that one. And that was on the 15-minute. Let's go to the 30-minute. Showing the same thing there. Price going up, momentum going down. Let's go to the hour. This one didn't quite show it on the hour, though. It showed price going up, momentum going up. So I don't expect this move to be real big, but it is clearly going down. XYO. I don't know what XYO. XYO. Oh, yeah, looks like it might be on here. All right, let's take a look at XYO. Interesting. Looks like it's just trending down. Looks like we just missed it, right? Because price was going up, momentum was going down, and here we are going down. And of course, we had price going down back here. Momentum started going up. This was really the spot that we saw momentum turn around and go up, and then there we went up. Right now, it looks like we're still going down, is what it looks like to me. Let's take a look at the 30-minute just to be sure. I usually like to trade off the hour time frame, right? We're on the 30-minute. I usually trade off the hour. It's just a stronger set of data. So price is definitely coming down, but momentum does seem to be going up. It's coming down a bit. I don't know. I wouldn't place a trade there yet, but it looks like it's maybe bottoming out. CFX, let's see if that's in here. Yeah, there it is. Let's take a look. We just missed this one. Look at this. That was juicy, right? Price came down, momentum came up. Up like that. Dang, we missed that one. Now it looks like it's kind of starting to swing down a bit, but I don't see anything real strong telling me which way it's going to go. Looks like it's going to go sideways here for a little bit. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. Let's throw out another coin. Let's take a look at some more. Let's find some. It's just that everything's moving pretty sideways right now. Waiting to see what Bitcoin's going to do, frankly. Although Mana, Decentraland, Mana, M-A-N-A, that did look like, it's the best thing we found so far. It looks like it's probably going to go up. Not financial bias. Can't guarantee a damn thing. It's all speculation. I'm just going off my indicator. Give me another coin. Let's take a look at another one. BTT. See if it's in here. Of course it's in here. Let's take a look. Again, going pretty sideways. Interesting. Looks like we just missed this, right? Because we had price going down, momentum going up, and then it went up some. So, but I don't see anything here either. It's just one of those days, guys. Just one of those days where things are just going sideways, trying to find opportunity. And the best opportunity I've saw so far is I think Mana's going to turn around and go up. How far? You never know. But it looks to me like Mana's about to turn around and go up some. What's this one down here? COC. We already looked up AMP. COC. I mean, that seems pretty obscure. I don't know if that'll be on here. Yes, that's not on here. That's too small. CRO. CRO might be on here. Yeah, CRO is in here. Ooh. Dang. That one's tough to tell because that just went pretty sideways, although technically the momentum went down. Price went up and then it swung down. Looks like we just missed that one. This was a decent one right here. Price going down, momentum going up, boom. But here was the real good one, right? Because you got to go off this dot right here because this is the lowest one. So this correlates to this price. You watch price go all the way down to here, and this lower price correlates to this higher green dot. So price came down, momentum went up, and what happened? Whoop, just like that. And it looks like we're topping out. As you can see, it swung down, but no moves that I see right now on it. Maybe if we go to the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, same thing happened here, right? Price going up, and we're going to go off this dot, and momentum's going down. So it dropped down. Looks like it's kind of flat line, stabilized. Momentum slightly going down. I don't see a move to make here. We just missed a move on this one. This would have been a pretty good one. Pretty clear one. Fairly clear one to get in on right here. Let's find another coin. Throw me out into... Oh, here we go. What do we got? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, Blackwell. Throw out another coin. CRO, that doesn't work. LRC, let's see if that's on here. It is. Let's take a look. Oh, this might be a good opportunity right here. Because look at this. We have price going down, but we clearly have it trying to shift back up. And so this is the lowest dot on the board so far. And it correlates to this bottom. Now price came down a little bit. And the green dot is up here, so momentum is going up. That's interesting. That might be an all right spot to take along. I mean, I'm not going to say we missed it, but we kind of did. This would have been better to get in down here, obviously. Now I don't know, but it looks to me like what I would really like to see. Here's what I would really like to see. to be on the lookout for. I probably wouldn't take a trade right here, but I'd really be on the lookout. I would look for price to come down a little bit lower than right here, and have a green dot up here, right? Because that would be price coming down, momentum going up, and that would be a strong sign to me that it's a good spot to take a long. If you don't know what I mean by a long and a short, I have a free trading course available. All you got to do is take me up on the free trial of this tool right here, Lever Atlas. If you take me up on the free trial of this, you'll get my whole trading course for free. And that's something I normally charge $300 for, that course. But anyways, just go to the link in my bio or dailycryptobull.com. You'll be able to do all that. Yeah, the indicator is Lever Atlas. It's my own custom indicator. Lever, like Lever, Atlas, ATLAS. Again, it's my indicator. I have a free trial to it. You can go to my website, like I said, dailycryptobull.com, or the link in my TikTok bio, and you get a free course too. Give me another coin. Let's see another coin. Yeah, Lever Atlas. Thank you. Yep, that's exactly right. Give me another coin. Let's look it up. Yeah, the exclamation mark makes more sense than the question mark. AMP. We just looked up AMP. But you know what? I've had several of you ask about it. I'll pull it up one more time. Because you know what? We didn't look at it on the lower time frame, but typically when I trade off the 1 hour time frame. By far the most common time frame I trade on. But so let's look at this. Here's what's interesting. So we always want to go off the lowest dot on the board, okay? Whatever side you're looking at. We're looking on the bottom side. So here, if we're looking down here in the green dots below the zero line, this is the zero line here. We want to look for bullish divergences, sign that the price is going to change direction and go up. So this green dot right here is the lowest one on the board. So this is one we want to base everything off of going forward until something beats it out, basically. So it correlates to this bottom right here, okay? Now look at this. This is a price came down, and this green dot correlates to this bottom, and this bottom correlates to this green dot. So price came down, momentum came up, and price went up some, but then it came back down to here. Again, we had another green dot print, which is still showing momentum trying to turn back up. And what happened here, right? Price came down, momentum went up, and now we had a nice shift up. And now it's come down, or come down some and flatlined. But it looks to me like this one, like AMP, on the 30-minute time frame. I didn't see this on the 1 hour. So on the 30-minute, it's not as strong of an indicator as the 60, but it's decent. This looks like, on the 30 anyways, this looks like a strong indicator to me. Let me make sure here. So this green dot correlates to this bottom, and this wick came down here. Okay, so this is technically a lower low than this over here. And this bottom correlates with this green dot. And this green dot correlates with this bottom. And this, again, so technically price has still come down. And momentum is going up. This looks like what I call a trigger wave. It looks to me like price is about to go up on AMP. Now, again, not financial advice. I can't guarantee anything. I like to trade more off the hour time frame. But when we go to the hour time frame, we can see price is going down, momentum is going up. It looks like we might print a trigger wave over here too. This actually might be a really good spot to take a long on AMP, actually. Coming back and looking at this, I'm glad that I pulled this up again and pulled up the multiple time frames. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Again, I don't base my trading off the 15-minute, but I just want to see. Yeah, it looks like everything on here just shows me that this price wants to go back up, right? You can see we're going off this dot down here because this is the lowest one on the board. Price has clearly come down, and technically it's still down lower than this over here. And we're just having all this momentum, these waves swinging up. So it looks to me like price wants to come up, and I think we're going to go up. I think AMP is going to, I would feel very comfortable. Again, if you're going to do anything like this, do it at your own risk. This isn't financial advice. I can't guarantee an outcome. But me personally, yeah, I would probably take a long on AMP around 0.058. I would feel very comfortable with that. And if it comes down some, fine. I'm not worried about it because I would just keep an eye on the chart. But I think that we are going to see this go up. I don't know how high, but I think it's going to go higher than this. I think it's going to swing up, go probably up to at least here where these other lines are. Yeah, AMP looks like a pretty good spot to take a long, actually. I'm glad I pulled that back up. I didn't catch that before because I only looked at the hour. I didn't look at the 30-minute time frame. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Pull it. So it looks like a good spot for a long to me on AMP. But again, not financial advice. V-chain, we pulled up V-chain before. Let's pull up V-chain one more time because I'm not sure if I looked at the. I'm not sure if I looked up the other time frames. So it looks like we have momentum coming up, right? We just missed it because we have this bottom and in this bottom, so price going down. And this green dot and this green dot, so momentum coming up, and the price went up some, still going up really. It looks like we're waiting to print a red dot, so not a good spot to take a long for sure. I wouldn't say it's a good spot to take a short either. So right now with V-chain, I'd say the jury's out, but let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Probably printed a dot here. Let's wait. So we printed a dot. We had this little trigger wave kind of come. Yeah, this looks like this would have been a good spot. This one and this one would be good spots to take longs. But right now with V-chain, I just don't see anything that gives me a strong signal. Anchor. I think anchor should be in here. Throw some likes out if you're digging this. Let's. We're at 814 likes. Smash some more likes. Let's get this over 1,000. So anchor looks like it's kind of bottoming out. Not necessarily that it's ready to change price direction, but looks like it's kind of bottoming out. And we're on the 30-minute time frame, so it's not really going to be. If I'm not seeing anything on the 30, I'm definitely not seeing anything worth making a decision off of. So anchor is one that I couldn't tell right now. It looks like we just had a bearish divergence print, which would have been pretty good. You know, this would have been not long ago, 2 in the morning. So yeah, I guess that's about 16 hours ago. So, and the price, you know, we had a bearish divergence print, which means price is going to change direction and go down. And it went down. Looks like it's still going down. Looks like it hit a bottom, but I can't tell what it's going to do right here. Let's hear another one. Give me another coin. We're only at, oh guys, we're only at 826 likes. Come on, hit those likes. Let's get it over 1,000. And be sure to share this stream. Give me another coin. Let's take a look at another coin. Yeah, just smash the crap out of that like button. Just smash it a bunch of times. Yeah, give me another coin. Let's take a look at another coin. Is there any hope it will go around $1? That I can't predict. Anchor going to $1 though? I mean, that's quite a far hope. And that's not the game I play. I don't play that game. I mean, don't get me wrong. I buy some stuff low and sell it high. But that is not the primary game I play. Because if you really, really, really want to make money in this stuff, that's like the no offense, but that's like the really beginner level stuff. That is definitely not the most profitable thing. Trading here, what I'm doing here, this, which isn't buying low and selling high. Because like if I get in here and it goes down, I take a short and it goes down, I get a whole bunch of anchor because I may get a whole bunch of profit because the price goes down. Like that's the real pro shit. But it's not that hard to do. I got a free course on my website, dailycryptobull.com. As long as you take me up on the free trial of this indicator here, just the free trial, you'll get the whole course for free. And I usually charge $300 for the course. So you get the course for free. Definitely go check that out because you make a shitload more with trading than you ever will with, you know, the whole buy low, sell high thing. And there's other things I'm involved in too, but I'm not going to get in all that. Quant, we'll go with quant. I'll go with this one. Let's take a look at quant. Oh, interesting. All right. This is interesting. I mean, price is coming up and momentum is coming up. So I wouldn't say this is a strong divergence. This was a good one back here. I mean, look at this, right? Price is here. Price comes down a little bit. Momentum's coming up. And what happened? Right there. Again, what I was talking about is you really don't want to, like, most people, 99% of people in crypto don't really understand how to really do this stuff. The whole buy low, sell high is you have no clue how much you're missing out on by just that being like your main strategy. Trading is really where it's at because with trading, I'm able to make money when the price goes up and I'm able to make money when the price goes down. That's trading. And it doesn't cost me anything. I'm not actually buying anything. I'm just trading. Don't know what I mean? Go take my free course, dailycryptobull.com, or the link in my TikTok bio. You can get it for free. All you got to do is take me up on the free trial of Lever Atlas, this indicator down here that's telling me which way price is going to go. So again, this one was pretty good. Look at that. I mean, price came down, momentum went up, and we had a nice shift up. Good spot to take a long. What's beautiful with that, in case you guys don't know, when I take a long or short, when the price goes up, sure, I get the price appreciation, like, ooh, my quant is now worth more, but I actually get more quant when it goes up on a long, and I actually get more quant when the price goes down on a short. I get it for free. That's what trading is. Seriously, go take my course. But that was a good one. Boy, that would have been a good one back there, but I don't see anything major standing out. Like this one's obvious. Price is coming down, momentum's going up, boom, boom, just like that. Give me another coin. Let's look at another coin. Shiba. Yeah, Shiba should be in here now. It didn't used to be. We'll look at Shiba, but guys, I got to tell you, I hate Shiba. I hate it. I mean, I have it, and like I made money off it, but I hate Shiba because it's just it's screwing all of you up. Not all of you, but it's screwing so many people up. Like there's no Shiba is basically a worthless project. Like it's not even a project. So it's having a bunch of people chase the wrong thing. Like in my opinion, you can definitely get rich in crypto. Like it's almost, in my opinion, not a financial advice. To me, it's almost like you can 100% become a millionaire in crypto if you just do the right things. And chasing the next Shiba Inu is not the right thing. If you didn't get Shiba super cheap, Shiba's not going to make you any more money than anything else right now. But let's go. Check this out. Let's see what we got. Ooh, interesting. Oh, we just missed it. See? Look at this. So momentum was coming up. Price was, I wouldn't say it was really coming down, but it was clearly flat, so it's interesting. But back here was a really good one where momentum was going up, price is going down, and then boom. But dang, we just missed this one. So Shiba just took a little jump up here. We just missed that one. Let's go to the 30 minutes, see if we see anything. But it looks to me like Shiba's trying to go up. Yeah, look at this nice divergence. Dang it. Momentum going up. Price going down, and boom. Dang it. Just missed that one. Give me another coin. Let's look at another one. PBX. I wonder if that'll be in here. All right. Looks like it is for KuCoin pair. Oh, we just missed this one too. Look at this. Price going down, momentum going up, and then it went up. But now I'm not seeing anything giving me an indicator. So what I would be looking for now, because it just kind of came up to this level, looks like it's trading between this price level, which is about 2.2 cents, and about 2.6 cents. Looks like it's trading in this zone here, and looks like it's at the top. So if anything, I'd be looking for a short on this, looking for the price to come down. But there's nothing showing that to me here. If we go to the 30-minute time frame, let's take a look. Ooh, see, there we go. Okay, that's interesting. Price going up. Oh yeah, price going up. Momentum going down. Yeah, it looks to me, actually, when we go on the 30, it looks like a strong probability that Paribus is about to go back down. So you see what I'm saying? Price going up, momentum going down. Looks like Paribus is about to go down to me. So it'd be maybe a good spot to take a short. Traders get wrecked. Yeah, people that trade and have no clue what they're doing can get wrecked. But you clearly don't trade, because if you traded, you wouldn't be saying that. So if you don't trade, don't pretend like you know what you're talking about. Yeah, Animoca Brands is fantastic. Love Animoca Brands. Yeah, you're very welcome. Very welcome, Black Wolf. Give me another coin. Let's look at another one. And by the way, traders get wrecked, huh? Check this out. Look at this. All these trades, these are the last, I don't know, 50 plus trades I've done. These are all positive trades. This red doesn't mean I lost. That's just the color they use for longs. and they use green for shorts. Here's my P&L, my profit and loss. If there was a negative sign here, that means I lost on the trade. Check this out. Every single trade you're going to see here is a positive trade. It's me gaining Ethereum every single trade. Does it look like I'm getting wrecked? Does it look like I'm getting wrecked? What do you think? Does it look like I'm getting wrecked? What do you think? Is that what getting wrecked looks like? Yeah, getting wrecked by making a ton of Ethereum for free. Don't say stuff you don't know what you're talking about. Litecoin, huh? Let's pull that up. Good old Litecoin. Not something I ever want a part of. Oh, we just missed this one. We would have went off this dot down here. Momentum going up. Price going kind of sideways. But then we could have went off this. I don't know if I would have taken this trade. Lever Atlas called it, but I don't know if I would have taken this. I'm really picky about the trades I take. That's how come the last 50 plus trades you saw me place right there, I was positive on all of them. Because I'm picky about my trades. I don't just get in there and place trades for the hell of it. I get in when a good trade comes to me, when it's obvious, when it looks like it's very high probability, then I take it. And you can learn all about that by taking my free course. Well, normally I charge $300 for the course, but you can get the course for free if you take me up on the free trial of Lever Atlas. So it doesn't cost you anything. You get a free trial of Lever Atlas, and you get the whole course for free to show you how not to get wrecked and show you how to actually earn crypto without spending a penny. And you can get way more crypto by trading than you ever could by going on Coinbase and buying it. That is not even close to the same. Litecoin, we already looked at Mana. Mana actually looked like it had a good spot for a long. I'll pull Mana back up real quick just so y'all can see what I was talking about in case you're newer to the stream. Let's pull it up again. So, hit the share on this thing, by the way. Hit the share. We only have 7 people in here. Goodness gracious. I mean, I'm thankful for you 7 in here. You're smart for being in here because I'm showing you what's the most powerful thing in crypto, which is trading. There's no way to accumulate more crypto than by trading. So here's what we see. We got the 30-minute time frame up. As you can see, price is coming down. But if you look over here, momentum is starting to swing up, right? Because this is the lowest price spot we've had so far, and it looks like we're going to have a higher green dot. By that I mean one closer. Oh, it just printed too right there. Did you see that? It just printed. So, and look at price is starting to go up. This looks like a pretty good spot to me to take a long. Now, I don't have any Mana in my trading account, or I would literally place a long trade on Mana right now, but I don't have any Mana in my trading account. Let's go to the 60-minute time frame. It's not showing us anything there, but boy, that 30-minute time frame is starting to look juicy, but I usually only trade off the hour time frame. But if I had some Mana in my trading account, I would definitely place a trade just because we're live. It's not something I would normally do. But since we were live, I would definitely do that. And Mana is what I've been meaning to trade more because it's been going up and down so much that the more volatile something is, the more you can make from it. It looks to me like on the 45-minute, momentum is slightly going up, price is slightly going down. I think we're bottoming out here. And I think we're about to change direction and come back up. So I think Mana looks like a really good spot to take a long. Or for those of you that just buy, might be a good time to buy. But not financial advice, can't guarantee any outcome. Give me another coin. Let's take a look-see. I got 700 worth of it, but how do you short it? Well, EJ, go take my my trading course. Tell you what, if you take me up on the free trial of Lever Atlas, you'll get my whole trading course for free. I normally charge $300 for that course. You go to my website, dailycryptobull.com, or go to the link in my TikTok bio. All your questions will get answered in a much better way than I could ever answer them there. But how you short, make it very simple, is you get on a trading site. I usually use Bybit. This is where I'm at right here. And you place a trade, and you click short. That's how you do it. You don't do that on Coinbase or something like that. It's actual trading, which is different than buying low and selling high. Very different. Oh, ETH. Hell yeah, let's take a look at ETH. Surprised no one said that yet. ETH is by far the coin I trade the most. By far. So on my ETH chart here, I even have these lines drawn which are Fibonacci lines. They give me good ideas where zones of support and resistance are. Support being where price comes down to and it kind of holds it above that price, and resistance kind of holds the price below a certain price. You know what I mean? So resistance is like a ceiling, support's like a floor. Looks like everything is just trading pretty sideways right now, deciding what it wants to do. Ethereum, no exception. This was nice. I did take this one. You see this right here, price came down, momentum went up. I did take a long here, and I got some pretty good Ethereum out of that trade. And then I took a short here and got some pretty good Ethereum out of that trade because, again, we're on the 45-minute here, but showed it on the hour. And this is where I knew to get out because, see, it told me here's a bullish divergence. Price is probably going to go up, so it went up. And here it printed a bearish divergence. So I said, hey, time to get out. And you know what? I'll now place a short, get out of my long and place a short. And then price went down. So I made quite a bit of Ethereum off this move. It's amazing because as a trader, you don't really care which way the price goes. You just want to know which way it's going to go. Because all you need to do to make money as a trader is to know which way the price is going to go. And when I say make money, I actually get Ethereum. Like I said, back here, my trading account, if, my computer will come up. You can see that these are all positive trades here. These are longs. Longs are red. Doesn't mean I lost anything. What you're looking at is profit and loss. There'd be a negative sign here if I lost on the trade. All this is free Ethereum. So there I got 0.00187 Ethereum, 0.0016. And I was getting to the green. See, these are shorts. Green is for short, red is for long. I don't know why they do that. It's all free Ethereum that I got in the past. What's today? I mean, I think I just placed these trades all since the 18th of October in this account. And I've doubled my Ethereum account in this one. This is my smallest account. This is the one I am actually willing to put on screen. How long until Elon skyrockets? Elon, like the coin Elon? But by the way, Ethereum, I can't really tell what's going on here. It doesn't look... In reality, I don't know. Nothing here is giving me a strong sign of what it's going to do. So I don't try to force trades. I wait for them to come to me. Like when this thing happened, price went down, momentum went up, the stop printed, and we're at a Fibonacci line. I'm like, yeah, that's a trade that came to me, so I took a long, it went up. And then, of course, we came to another line, which would be this one right here, and momentum went down. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to take a short, boom. So the trades, I wait for the trades to come to me. I don't try to force them. If you try to force them, that's how you lose. That's how you lose. Yes, coin. Doge Elon. I don't know if that's going to be on here, because that's such a kind of obscure coin. Is it? Do you mean Dogelon or do you mean Dogs of Elon? Because apparently both of those are on here. Doge. Oh, Doge. Okay, let's go with Dogelon. Let's take a look. Not a coin I want anything to do with, because this is a bullshit coin. Total bullshit coin. It's just completely trying to capitalize off of Doge and Elon Musk. So that's how you know that it's just a total bullshit coin with no future. And it only people that literally have no clue what's going on buy this coin. With that being said, that doesn't mean it can't make you rich in the short term. So I don't know. So we would go off of this one down here. I'm not seeing anything real strong showing me any bullish divergences, and I don't really see any bearish divergences either. So it looks like this one's going to trade sideways here for a little bit till something pops up. So I don't see anything there. Let's see here. What else was I looking at? Who was another coin? UMA. I think someone asked about UMA. I don't know if it's on here. It is on here. I think we pulled it up before. I don't remember. Freaking UMA. We just missed a good short opportunity. Right, because price went up, price is going up, momentum is going down. That's what these red dots, they show the top of momentum waves. We're on the 45-minute time frame. Let's go to the hour time frame. Now we're on the 1 hour time frame. So price going up, momentum going down. What happened? Whoop, we just missed that one. And I'm not, well, this, you know what? This might be a good opportunity to take a long actually right here. Look at this. So price is coming down because if you look at this wick, price definitely came down from this spot, right? Because this spot correlates with this green dot. This spot correlates with this green dot. Momentum is going up, right? towards the zero line. Momentum is going up because this dot here is lower than this one. And price is going down. When you see that, that's a bullish divergence. This might actually be a decent spot to take a long on UMA. That might be an interesting spot. It's on the 1 hour time frame too. Let's go to the 30 real quick on this one. Yeah, see, we're getting price coming down, momentum going up, price is starting to go up. Might not be a bad spot. But with that being said, I wouldn't doubt if price comes down again and we have a yet higher green dot, so price coming down even further and momentum going up even more, and then that might be the spot to take it. So I think I would be on the lookout for this to come down more and for a green dot to print higher up closer to the zero line, indicating price coming down, momentum going up. That would probably be a good spot to take along. I'd probably be watching out for that. Let's see here. What other coins I see mentioned on here? You reckon Shiba will come back? Shiba's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. Shiba is over. You can't make your big gains off that anymore. It is worthless. It does nothing. And now because it's worth so much, you can't make any more money off Shiba than you can any of the other coins around it. It is not, in my opinion, not financial advice. In my opinion, Shiba is something you should have got out of a couple weeks ago and should never, ever get in again. That's what I think. Because people got rich off Shiba because it was worth nothing. And now it's worth a lot. So you can't get rich off something that's already worth a lot in the short term. Let's see here. Hedge. I see Hedge. VXV. Let's look up VXV. That's a good project. I like that project. Looks like we only have it paired with Tether. That's fine. Let's look. Maybe we can see something here. Oh. Wait, what's going on with my thing here? Let's try this again. Let's refresh it. I don't know. But it's looking like there might be a bullish divergence printing on this. It looks to me like VXV might be in for going up in price. Not financial advice, right? We're just here. I'm speculating. See if we can get this thing to load back up here, because that chart didn't come up for me very well. Here we go. Oh, no. VXV. Everything's moving pretty slow now. I might just have to move to Q&A here pretty soon. Things are not loading well for me. My computer, I don't know if it's my computer or what. All these alerts popped up. I don't know why. It's only going back to here. I don't know what's going on with VXV. But here's what I can see. Looks to me, right, let's look at this green dot right here. Correlates to this bottom. Price is coming down. Momentum is coming up. This looks like a pretty decent spot to me to take along. This might be a good buying opportunity. Because it looks to me like VXV is about to go up. How much? I don't know. I have no idea. You never know. But it looks to me like, because when you see that bullish divergence where price is coming down, momentum is going up, high probability that the price turns around and goes up. That's the way I trade. And, well, that's just the way things usually work out is what I mean. It's not like something I came up with. It's something that's been known for quite a while. So VXV looks like it might be a decent buy right now. But again, if you're working off buying low and selling high, you're playing at a very, very, very beginner level that is far from being able to make as much money as you can. Trading is where it's really at. Because you can make money when the price goes up and when the price goes down. And you can make a hell of a lot more either way, when it goes up or down, because you can do leverage and all this other stuff. I have a free course available that teaches about all that. On dailycryptobull.com or the link in my TikTok bio. You'll get a free trial to this indicator too, Lever Atlas. But if you take me up on the free trial, you get that course for free too. Seriously learn about trading, whether it's with me or with someone else, but you got to learn about trading. Seriously. Give me another coin. I don't know why this one doesn't come up very good. Give me another coin. Thank you. I like the likes are flying in. I appreciate that. It got listed on TradingView 2 days ago. Is that right? That makes sense, right? Because here we are on the 12th. So, I mean, I guess this is all there is. This is all the data they have. I've never seen that before. We already looked up Phantom. Let's look up low tech. Someone asked about that earlier too. If it's on here, it doesn't seem to be on there. Fine, I'll pull up Phantom one more time. Pull up Phantom one more time. Zoom in a bit. We're on the 45-minute. Let's go to the hour time frame. That's where I usually like to trade off of. I mean, it looks to me like momentum's trying to swing up, but I don't have a strong enough sign for my liking that I would take a trade here on Phantom, right? We go to the 45, maybe we see something stronger, but I usually like to trade off of the 1 hour time frame. Because what 1 hour time frame means is that each of these candles you see here is the price action in a 1 hour span of time. So that's a good amount of data, and that's kind of the minimum amount of data I use before I place a trade, because I don't try to force trades. If you try to force trades and trade too much, you're probably going to lose. But if you wait for the trades to come to you, that's a whole different story. That's a whole different story. So I don't see anything there necessarily on Phantom. Who's got it? Low text didn't come up. I think that might be about it. Maybe we'll just go to some Q&A now. Maybe we'll just go to some good old Q&A. Ask some other questions. What's going on, party people? Happy Saturday night to you. Thanks for being on here with me. Hopefully I can add some value to you. All right. What kind of questions you guys got crypto-wise? VXV, where can you buy? Any coin that you ever want to buy, go to CoinMarketCap and coinmarketcap.com and type in the coin. And there will be a tab that you can, when you go to the coin, there'll be a tab. You know what? Let me flip it around. Let me flip this around. I'll show you real quick how you can find any coin, okay? So we'll go to CoinMarketCap. You can do it on CoinGecko too, but let's go with CoinMarketCap. So you ask, where can I buy VXV? My computer's going so goddamn slow. I apologize, and I'm going to probably kill my computer soon because Jesus criminy, it's been doing this way too much. I'm probably going to have to get a new one. Where is the search tab here? Come on, load up. So we'll go right here, and we'll type in VXV. Vector space. And what you'll do is you'll scroll down any coin you want. This is exactly what you do. And you'll click on this tab right here called Market. Right here. See it? We'll click on it. And it will tell you everywhere that you can buy it. You can buy it on all these places. This is where you can buy VXV. You can do the same thing with any coin you want to look up. Is that helpful? Give me some likes if you thought that was helpful. Hey, have any of you guys gotten into Wonderland or Olympus Dow or Clima? I mean, we're getting like, on Wonderland, we're getting like 80,000% APY. On Clima, we're getting around 40,000. On Olympus Dow, we're getting around 8,000. Are any of you guys in any of that stuff? Give me a yes or a no. Because I'm interested. What's up, YouTube, by the way? Sometimes I feel like I neglect YouTube. There's more people on TikTok. I usually mostly stream live on YouTube so that I can publish the video afterwards. So any of you on TikTok or on YouTube, you can watch this video on YouTube as we go through all those charts. This was a pretty good educational session, being able to go through here and dissect the charts to see where we thought prices were going to go. A lot of them were inconclusive, but some of them had stronger signals, like Mana, which is Decentraland. That looks like it's about to go up. That looks like it's about to go up to me. Yeah, Clima, but Clima with a K. Really interesting project. I put some money in that. Wonderland, I've put a lot of money in. But I haven't put any in Olympus Dow. Only reason, well, it's the lowest APY, even though it's still 8,000. APY is because it's on the Ethereum network, and I love Ethereum, but it costs so much goddamn money to do a transaction on the Ethereum network. It's crazy. Yeah, Clima with a K, Clima DAO. Yeah, that's right, Clima DAO. I think it's getting about 40,000% APY, but Wonderland, I think it's Wonderland.money, is getting about 80,000, and I've bought in a lot of that. The coin for Clima is Clima, or Clima DAO maybe. The coin for Wonderland is Time, and the coin for Olympus DAO is OHM, OHM. This is like some deeper, I spend every day studying and diving deep into all kinds of crypto. Like that's what I do full time. That's what I do. So I tend to find out about this stuff before most people. And I've been in Wonderland for a couple weeks. I just finally got in Clima this week. Clima is newer than Wonderland is. But I really like Clima. I like them all. I like all three of those. Like very much like them. Obviously the APYs are insane, so of course we like that. So you're like, is it? I've researched the crap out of them. I feel very comfortable with those three. There's a lot out there now that are doing this DeFi 2.0 rebase type thing with these insane APYs, but those are the three that I've found that I feel pretty damn comfortable with. Rich Quack, I don't know what that means. Have you guys done any of that? Give me some yeses or nos. Have any of you guys done any of that stuff? Wonderland, Clima, Olympus DAO. Have you done any of that? Yes or no? Let me know. I want to get some, not feedback, but whatever that would be. Nah. Wolf Philly. Staking your time. Time is the coin. Okay, so it's not my actual time. Time is the actual coin for Wonderland. And you just go stake it on Wonderland. The way that you buy it is it's on the Avalanche network. So what I did is I added the Avalanche network to my MetaMask wallet. Then I went to the website, and then I had Avalanche, and I got Avalanche in my MetaMask wallet, right? So then I went to a website called TraderJoeXYZ.com, and I swapped my Avalanche for time. Then I went to Wonderland and I staked my time. And you make about 1.9% a day. And as that gets compounded over 365 days, that adds up to 80,000 APY. You think any time you mess with non-US exchanges, you're asking yourself for an IRS audit? Okay. I don't feel that way at all. I'm not even close to I feel like that. But in the meanwhile, I'm going to make 80,000 APY and not really think about anything else. That's my thought. Because the U.S. exchange, like the IRS, like the SEC, haven't decided who regulates it. They haven't even yet decided what crypto is, what category. Is it property? Is it a commodity? Is it security? Is it something else? They haven't even decided that yet. So the reality is, if you're scared about IRS audits, anything that you have on your taxes, crypto-wise, is going to set off the same flags with the IRS no matter where you're buying or selling or staking or whatever. And when I'm staking, those are unrealized gains. So I'm not even claiming unrealized gains. You don't claim gains until you realize them. What's the best exchange? If you live in the US, my favorite one is Voyager, because there's no fees when you buy and sell, and you get interest on most of your crypto. There's a link on my website, I believe, for Voyager. I think that link will get you $25 in free Bitcoin also. Do you long trade or short? Oh, absolutely, Miguel. You must have just hopped on, because almost this entire stream, we were going over charts, finding long and short opportunities. As a matter of fact, if you're newer to trading, go to my website, dailycryptobull.com, or the link in my TikTok bio, and there will be a free trial for my trading indicator. And if you do that, if you take me up on the free trial, you'll get my whole entire free trading course, which I normally charge $300 for. And no matter what, you get that course for free just for taking me up on the free trial, whether you keep using the indicator or not. And I dive into everything. And listen, as I went through here, like, look at this. Let me show you, because you're new to this. Let me show you. Like, here's my trading account. Well, this is one of my trading accounts, my smallest one. I always use this one for I call it my training trading account, so that I can show you, so I can stream it live and not worry about giving out any details. But this red doesn't mean I lost. That's just the color they use for long. These are all Ethereum trades. This is my profit and loss. If you see a negative sign, that means I lost money on the trade. But you won't see one, because as I scroll through here, these are all positive. See greens for short. These are all positive trades. This is all free Ethereum that I got. Free Ethereum, my last, 50 plus trades are all positive in a row. Okay? And I'm not special. That's what I'm telling you. It's still scrolling, still finally hit the bottom. And this goes back to the 18th of October. So it's not even that long, and I've done all these trades and gotten all that free Ethereum. So trust me, what I do works. And I made it pretty damn simple in my course. And I just use the Lever Atlas indicator, which is the indicator that I'm saying, take me up on a free trial of it. It's my own indicator. How does Hex compare to Wonderland, Climate, Olympus? They're definitely different. But funny enough, like, they're not, they're different, because I'm not 1,000% how Hex works. Hex isn't one that I'm in, but boy, I wish I would have gotten in Hex, but I just missed it. You know what I mean? I just missed it. And now I feel like it's too late to get in. But it's I would say that these, from what I understand about Hex, and I've looked into it a good amount, but again, I don't do it. I don't stake on Hex, so I only know from myself from what I've studied, but not done. Anyway, so disclosure there. But it depends which one you go into, because Olympus, Climate, and Wonderland all have different objectives in terms of what they plan on doing with evolving their, we'll call it company, but it's a DAO. So it's a decentralized autonomous organization. So there's a big difference there between those and Hex. Hex is not a DAO. DAOs, think of them like as a really truly democratic organization, whereas if you own the token, you get to vote. You get to vote on what they do. So Hex is not that. Wonderland, Climate, and Olympus is. Although I'm again, I don't have Hex, but I don't have anything bad to say about Hex. And overall, I kind of like Richard Hart. I think he's pretty honest, and he just takes the heat. So I mostly trust what he says for the most part. But Wonderland, Climate, Olympus, they're different because they are DAOs and they're rebased. So they're kind of like DeFi 2.0. And it's still early enough that's why these APYs are insane. And they're going to take some of the money from their treasuries and they're going to expand their system. Like Wonderland I really like, because they're going to end up making a game, a blockchain game. And if you guys have followed me at all for any length of time, you know how ginormously huge I am on blockchain gaming. I am more bullish on blockchain gaming than anything else I've ever been bullish on in my life. And I'm not a gamer. It's just so obvious that blockchain gaming is gonna be monstrous. And it's still early enough. And Climate is interesting because what they do is like Wonderland is, these coins are actually backed. They're not just coins. They're actually backed by other crypto. They're backed by other assets, such as stable coins. And Wonderland, for instance, a stable coin called MIM and Avalanche. And also like Climate, what Climate's backed by, it's backed by, I don't know if it's backed by stable coins at all, but it's backed by actual carbon credits, which, for instance, like the Paris Accord, countries, companies, they've pledged to go, carbon neutral by a certain date, and they've pledged to only emit so much carbon every year. So if they go above what their quote is, they have to buy credits. So these credits have real value, and they'll have more and more value going forward. So it's backed by that. So it does two things. It's a valuable asset to back up the climate coin by, which are carbon credits, and it forces the actual less carbon emission going forward of the planet. So overall, it's a very good project. And Olympus is great. They're all great. Like seriously, those are the three of all, because there's a bunch of them now. There's a good number of them, but those are the only three that I would pay any attention to. Not financial advice, but I'm invested in two of them. And the only reason I'm not invested in Olympus is because I don't want to pay $150 to deposit my money into Olympus, because it's on Ethereum, and Ethereum's gas fees are nuts. We're on, Climb is on Polygon, Wonderland's on Avalanche. Avalanche cost me like $1 to stake. Climate cost me like $1 to stake, even less probably. But Olympus cost me like $150 just to put my damn money in there. So screw that. I'll just hold on to my Ethereum. Is it limit trade or short trade? Well, Miguel, there's short and long trades. Short and long. Long means that you make money as the price goes up. Short means you make money as the price goes down. When I say make money, you actually get more of the crypto coin, right? So if I take a long on Ethereum, and it doesn't cost me any money to get into these trades, I just use the Ethereum I already have. I don't go buy more Ethereum. It doesn't cost me anything. I just use the Ethereum I already have. And I do a long trade. When the price goes up, I actually get more Ethereum. When I do a short and the price goes down, I actually get more Ethereum, right? And if you do leverage on these, again, go take my course. It's free. Just take me up on the free trial of Lever Atlas. It's free. You'll get my $300 course for free. And this will explain all that stuff. It's a video course. You'll love it. But what a limit trade is, what you're saying limit, it's limit and market orders. Limit means you are a market maker. Market means you are a market taker. So limit orders, you get paid to place the order. On a market order, you pay to place the order. So that's another thing I talk about in my course. I only do limit orders. That is it. Limit buys and limit sells. And again, longs are when you want the price to go up, and shorts are when you want the price to go down. You make money when the price goes up on a long. You make money when the price goes down on a short. So you don't have to worry about, oh my God, I need the price to go up. Like, you're done, because you don't care. And you get to do what the whales do. You get to accumulate crypto, because that's the real name of the game. That's the real goal. That's the real objective, is to accumulate this stuff. Not to sit here and try to, get rich quick. It's not. Give yourself 4 years. I say it all the time. 4 years. Because in 4 years, we'll be in another bull run. We'll be in the exact same spot as we are right now in the next bull run. So we're in a bull run right now. There will be a bear market and then another bull run. In 4 years, we'll be in this spot of the next bull run. Not the beginning of it, this spot, like a year and a half in, towards the end. If you can give yourself 4 years, there's zero reason you can't become a multimillionaire if you give yourself 4 years and have a little bit more patience than 99.9% of people out there. 99.9% of people out there have no fucking clue what they're doing. They're just trying to buy low and sell high. And it's a losing game, where they're trying to find the next Shiba Inu. It's not, it's just the probability is almost zero. Yeah, you do. For the free stuff. Yeah, you got to give me your credit card, because it's a free trial. You can cancel before the trial's over, but I got to know if you want to continue. I don't want to have, it'll charge your card if you don't cancel before the trial's over. But it's as simple as sending an email to us to cancel after the trial. But you won't want to cancel, because once you learn what this is and what you can really do with it, you're going to think, wow, everything I've done up till now is stupid. This is the only thing that matters. Trading is the only way to go. That's what you're going to learn. Foreign exchanges. You have to claim realized gains, no matter where you make them. But if they're unrealized, see, I have it staked. Unless I withdraw from that stake, then it's unrealized gains. If I withdraw from the stake, then it's a realized gain, and then I have to claim it. Whether it's foreign or domestic or what. I don't know why you're thinking about what you're thinking about. Like Philly. Like these are the thoughts that are stopping you from. They're unnecessary thoughts. And by the way, if you're paying taxes, that's because you made money. These are thoughts that are clogging you up. They're clogging you up, man. 300 for a year? No, it's free. What are you talking about? The course? No, the course is free. I normally charge 300 for it. But if you take me up on the free trial of Lever Atlas, you'll get the whole course for free. And you get to keep the course whether you go beyond the free trial or not. But no, Lever Atlas is only like 49 bucks a month. And if you should be making a hell of a lot more than that. Not financial advice, no guaranteed outcomes. But once you get in there and you see the course and you go through it, you're just going to realize the way you've been thinking about everything is wrong. Not that you're bad or dumb. It's just that you've been listening to all these other people and they only know as much as they know. But once you actually learn what trading is, you're going to realize, wow, this is the only thing I'm doing going forward. I'm never going to think about buying low and selling high again because that's stupid. That's absolutely stupid compared to trading. The profits aren't even close. They're not even close. I made the indicator. The indicator is mine. I made it for myself. And then I was like, you know what? I think I can, maybe I can turn this into a business actually. So, and because it costs me money every month to run it. And the more people that use it, the more money it costs me. Because of the bandwidth. Well, I don't know if it's bandwidth, but it's like server space. Something like that. I don't know. I have a tech guy that helps me with that. How do we spot yield farming scams? Yeah, you never know. I'd say just do your research, right? Find ones that have, I would say, be able to figure out who the founders are and look into the founders. That's the biggest thing. Look into the founders. Trading. Yeah, if you were here before Philly, when I was looking at all the charts, we were on TradingView. Yeah, it runs exclusively on TradingView. And that's exactly how it works. What happens is after you join the free trial, you just email us your TradingView username, and then we give your account access to it, and then you can use it. Trading crypto is insanely better. I mean, Miguel, let me ask you, can you make money when the price goes down currently? Do you know how to do that? Probably not. With trading, you make money when the price goes down on a short. And with trading, you make money when the price goes up on a long. Again, the course will explain all this to you. And there's no real reason to not go try it out. Because you just take me up on the free trial, costs you nothing, and then you get the course for free, which I usually charge $300 for that course. And you just get the course for free no matter what, whether you continue after the trial or not. But be warned, once you take the course, you're going to realize there's no going back. You can't unsee what you're going to see. Because you're going to realize trading is the only way to go. And that's not like my opinion. Like, it's pure math. And the math is not even close. Because again, I can make money when the price goes down. And it's not even about making money. I mean, you make money, but you actually get more of the asset. So when I'm trading Ethereum on a long, which means I make money when the price goes up, I actually get more Ethereum when the price goes up. And on a short, when the price goes down, I get more Ethereum for free. I don't pay anything. I just use the Ethereum I already have in trading. Go take the course. It'll explain and lay it all out. Again, it's free. I don't know how long I'll be offering that, but I just put it up a day or two ago. And there's a whole membership area where you log in and watch the course. And you'll always have access to that membership area whether you continue with Lever Atlas or not, but I don't know what good the course will be to you if you're not going to use Lever Atlas. Because everything I do is based around that indicator because it tells me when price is going to change direction. And with trading, that's all you really need to know. You need to know when price is going to change direction. Let's see. are there signal indicators? Yeah. Do you want me to pull it back up? Give me some ones in the chat if you want me to pull, because you guys might not have been here. We spent the first, I don't know, almost an hour or so just looking at charts, trying to find opportunities by going through looking for signals. Give me some ones if you want me to go back through it. Give me some ones in the chat if you want me to go back through it. I'll show you some. Okay, I see a lot of yeses and ones coming in. All right, I'll flip this around. Let me just get the camera set up here so you can actually like see it. So let me try to position this here. All right, so here's what we'll do. We'll go over to Trading View, which is where we see all this stuff. And this is the Lever Atlas indicator down here, okay? And so what we want to look for are divergences. There are bullish and bearish divergences. Don't think about that too much right now because I'll explain it. Let me find you an example. Let me pull this back because I see a bullish divergence. So let me pull this back quick and show you one. I don't see anything coming up right now. Because you got to wait for the trades to come to you. Okay, you can't go out there and just try to like make trades happen. You got to wait for the opportunities to come to you, and that's where Lever Atlas comes in. So what we really do here, let's look. Let me pull this. Let me zoom in a bit. So as you see, let me pull this down a bit more. God damn it. So what Lever Atlas does, we're on the 45-minute time frame. Let me go to the 60-minute time frame because I like to trade off the 1-hour time frame. So, well, let's go to this bearish divergence, meaning that there's a strong indicator that the price is about to go down. So what we want to look for is price going up and momentum going down. That is a divergence, a bearish divergence. So as we see, this top right here correlates with this red dot right here, okay? And then we see the price comes up higher, but yet this red dot right here is lower than this red dot. So that is a divergence, a bearish divergence where price is going up and momentum is going down. And what happened? Price went down, 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 down. And in reality, we printed yet another red dot here, which is if you see 3 in a row, that is a super, super strong sign of a really strong divergence. So as we see momentum going down, price going up, and what do? Boom, going down. And then we see this green dot prints here, correlating to this bottom. This green dot prints here, correlating to this lower bottom. And then we have this green dot down here print to an even lower bottom. So price is coming down, momentum going up. That is a bullish divergence, and the price went up. Now, it wasn't as dramatic as this, but the price went up. And you can make pretty good gains off little moves. Let's see if we can find, let's go to Ethereum, because Ethereum is the one I trade the most, because of every crypto in existence, that's the one that I want the most of. And in particular on this one, I drew these Fibonacci lines, which I show you how to do that in the course too. What those do is give me a strong indicator of where the resistance and support is. The resistance is like a ceiling, support is like a floor. So the support is like kind of holds price above a certain level, and resistance holds price below a certain level. And as you can see, these lines work out pretty well, right? Came down here, support, came up here, resistance, kind of came through that one, but it acted in this zone. Anyways, I use that in conjunction with Lever Atlas. You can just draw those on TradingView, but I show you how to do that in the course. So check this out. So we have this red dot right here correlating to this top. And we have this red dot correlating to this top. And the price came down some, so there's a little gain there. And then we have still lower dots, so momentum is still coming down, right? And price is still going up. And now we've come to a level, boom, price went down. And now we have this red dot print over here, which we're still going off this one, because this is the highest one. So momentum is still coming down, and price is still going up. So now we took a big dump. And this green wave you see here, this is money flow. As you can see, as we get to this spot, money flow starts going down. Down, down, down. As you can see, it gets real low, and we get this dot here, just boom, like that. But then we see over here a bullish divergence where we have this green dot correlating to this bottom, and we have this green dot correlating to this bottom. So price going down, momentum going up. What happened? Price went up. So it's these divergences is what we are looking for. And if you can couple them in conjunction with these Fibonacci lines. Again, and the course lays all this out a lot better, or a lot more in depth. That's how we really line this stuff up. And as you can see in my trading account, I don't know if I showed that already. I did, but I don't know if you guys saw it. Like these are my last like 50 trades. These are all positive trades. It's red because that's just the color they use for longs. This is my profit and loss. They are all positive numbers. If they were a loss, there'd be a little negative sign here. But as we scroll through here, they're all positive. See, green for the short. All positive trades. My last 50 plus trades in a row, all positive. And this is only going back to the 18th of October. And I'm doing exactly what I showed you. Let's go to another one. Let's go to the old Bitcoin. Let's go to the old Bitcoin. Let's look for some divergences. Here's a good one. Here's a good bearish divergence. Let me pull all this down real quick. So we see this red dot right here correlates to this top. This lower red dot correlates to this higher top. So price is going up, momentum is going down, boom, price dropped. And then we had this red dot print, and we had an even higher high. So price going up, momentum going down, boom, drop. So that's a good place for a short. But then right here, we have this bottom and this bottom. This green dot, price going down, momentum going up, boom, went up a little bit. Not like this crazy dramatic thing. You never know how much it's going to go up or down, but you can tell with a pretty strong certainty when price is going to change direction. Right here, green dot, this is a slight momentum change. Price going down, momentum going up, boom, just like that. So that's really how we do it. Again, the course goes into a lot more detail. That's really what we're looking for. Did that make sense to you guys? We're just looking for those changes in momentum. If price is going up and momentum is going down, price is going to change and go with the momentum. If price is going down and momentum is going up, price is going to change with the momentum and go up. And that's why Lever Atlas is so crucial, because it shows us where those changes are. Because typically what happens is price is going down, momentum is also going down. As price is going up, momentum is also going up. That's what's normal. But the second that divergence happens, you know that things are about to change direction. I think in the course, I do a live trade, but I don't force trades. I don't force them. I wait for them to come to me. I wait for the divergences to happen, and then I place the trades. Because one of the worst things you can do is try to like force trades or be overly active. But the thing is, you can trade as many different coins at once as you want, right? I'll typically be in an Ethereum trade and a Bitcoin trade at the same time. Those are the two main ones I trade. And when you start trading, you just want to trade one coin because you want to focus and you want to develop your skill, because trading, it's a learnable skill, like riding a bicycle, like throwing a ball, like driving a car. It's exactly like that. There's no doubt in my mind at all that any person on the planet can learn to trade. Doing it exactly the way I do it. Because it may have spun your head a bit the way I just laid it out, but it's really easy. You're just looking for divergences. That's it. And that's what Lever Atlas does, is it shows you where those divergences are when the price is going to change direction. And that's why I made more. I just showed you my last 50 trades, and they were all profit. Every single one of them was a profitable trade. And actually, we could go back further than that. That was just the end of that page, and that's not even a month worth of trades on just Ethereum. And I'm not special. I'm telling you, I am not special. Well, the trades come when you see the divergences happen. That's what I mean by that's when the trades come. I wait for the divergences to happen, and then I place the trades. But again, I go into greater depth on that in the course to lay a lot more of that out for you. But that's what I mean by let the trades come to me, is I wait for the divergences to happen on the hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. Because there's always another trade. If you're going to miss out on some trades, that's fine. There's always another trade right around the corner. I don't know much about Marathon. I don't know what that is at all, actually. I trade. I'm not necessarily in a trade every day, but I'm in a trade most days. But right now, I'm not in any trades. I just got out of my Bitcoin and Ethereum trades. Was it yesterday? Might have been yesterday. Because right now, I'm not seeing any divergences on the chart, everything's trading pretty sideways. So I'm just waiting for the next one to come to me. Although earlier, when we went through a whole bunch of different coins, people just kept requesting them. Mana, Decentraland, although I don't have any of that in any of my accounts, I could trade that, but I don't have any in my accounts. That one looked like there was a good opportunity to take a long. So I think the price of Mana is going to go up some. How much? I don't know. It doesn't need to go up much for you to do well. That's a company there's a lot of companies that mine Bitcoin. I'm not interested in investing in any of them. There's such better opportunities out there. Such better. No, oh no. Am I watching the screen 8 hours a day? No, not at all. No, not at all. Not even close. I do it from my phone. I do all my trading from my phone. I'll just have them up and I'll look at them every so often. And as you do this a little bit more, you'll start to know you'll start to kind of get in front of it a bit and be like, okay, if it comes to this price, if I see this thing print, this dot print, this divergence print, I'll probably take it. Because you can set alerts on TradingView too, and they'll just pop up on your phone. Like say, hey, let me know when Ethereum crosses 4,700. Let me know when Ethereum goes below 4,400. It'll send you alerts. So no, I'm not on my phone all day at all. In the beginning, when you start trading, you will probably be on your phone a lot because it'll just be so much on your mind. It's not as much on my mind anymore because, again, I just wait for the trades to come to me. And if I miss some, I miss some. Not a big deal. There's always another trade right around the corner. But I check the charts several times a day. Right? They don't come and go like that. They're not boom, boom. There's not any massive urgency with trading. Like they don't come and go that fast. You'll see them coming. And you'll always have time. And you don't got to get in at the exact top or bottom at all. How long have you been trading this way? Well, this is the trading. This is trading. Quite a while. I don't know. Quite a while. Do you have any possible monthly returns? I just showed you my Ethereum profits from this account. Did you not? Yeah. I just showed you like the last 50 plus trades I did. Those were all Ethereum gains that I made. Like I got more Ethereum. Like 50 straight trades in less than a month. Going back to the 18th of October. I just scrolled through all that when we went over here and did that. I think that is what you're asking for. Let me show you again, man. Right here. Let me scroll back over. See, there's Ethereum USD trades. Every one of these is how much Ethereum I got. So this wasn't a big one here. 0.0005. And short means that I bet the price was going to go down. Long means I bet the price was going to go up. These are all profitable trades. Every single one of them. If it was a loss, you would see a negative sign. It would be like a negative 0.00114, but they're all positive. All positive. I'll keep scrolling. But my results don't equal your results. I can't guarantee anything for you. I can just show you what's worked for me. I can keep going and going and going and going and going. And did we hit the bottom yet? We hit the bottom. And that goes back to the 18th of October, so that's not even a month. And I did all those trades, all profitable trades. That is a bunch of free Ethereum that I got. Does that work for you? And this is my smallest account. This is the only one I show on camera because I never know who's watching. And I don't want anyone to be able to I don't want to show a piece of information on my bigger accounts that someone could hack or whatever. So this is the one I have specifically. I call this my trading account. But have you guys done, there's probably some new people on the stream now. Have any of you done like Wonderland, Olympus DAO, or Clima? Because I mean, like with Wonderland, I'm getting like 80,000%. APY. It's no joke. I keep adding money in every day, it seems like, because it keeps paying me every day. It's insane. And in reality, by the way, Philly, I'm a really conservative trader. I don't go with massive leverage. I usually do about 10x leverage, but I don't go throw my whole account in a trade, not even close. And I'm a pretty conservative trader. You pay tax on gains because these are gains. Yep. But again, guys, if you're paying taxes on gains, that means you're making money, which is a lot better than doing nothing. My trade sizes, in this particular account, they're really small. They're like, after I do leverage, they're typically multiple ETH. But in terms of my own ETH that I put up, usually anywhere from like half an ETH to a couple ETH. I don't do big ones. I'm methodical about my trading. I'm conservative, right? Because the last thing I want to do is get too risky. Because if you get too risky, you get in the habit of it. So I'm conservative with my trades. But with that being said, you can get out of a trade whenever you want. So there's only 3 results that happen for me. I have small losses, small gains, and big gains. Those are the only 3 things that happen to me. Because I can get out whenever I want. So I can set stop losses and stuff like that. But also, I wait for the trades to come to me. I don't try to force trades. I wait for them to come to me, and there's plenty of them that show up multiple days a week, that's for sure. But Philly, it doesn't matter what I'm doing. You need to worry about, if you want to get involved in trading, which I would really recommend, all you need to do is worry about what are your trade sizes. What are you comfortable with? In the beginning, it should be small. It should be really small in the beginning, just for you to start developing the skill of getting used to it, emotionally. You're not trying to get rich quick. You try to get rich quick, you'll get broke quick. But Cool Castles, my guess is that you try to buy low and sell high on short term. If you want to call those trades, I wouldn't call those trades. You'll be paying tax on that too. You pay tax on everything. But again, you only pay on what you earn at the end of the tax year. And you could also trade from, I believe you could trade from within an IRA. But I'm not a professional in that way, so I couldn't tell you for sure. Well, yeah, Philly, check it out. It's free. Take me up on the free trial. You'll get my whole free course, which I normally charge $300 for. To not take me up on that, you're just trying to screw yourself. And frankly, most people try to screw themselves, even though they wouldn't admit that or see it that way. Because it's an opportunity. If you don't take the opportunity, which has no risk to it at all, you're just screwing yourself. Any other crypto questions? Probably going to hop off pretty soon. Crypto questions, anybody? Cryptos to watch for the week. When are you making the boy version? I'm assuming there's a typo there because I'm not sure what that means. Cryptos to watch for the week. In general, I'm really, really, really bullish on gaming cryptos. Gaming. For sure. Because gaming is going to be the first thing to really, 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 really get mass adopted in crypto, in blockchain technology, for multiple reasons. For one, most gaming is involved on the internet already, and people are used to spending money and having digital assets in gaming currently, but they're not really assets. They're just in-game items. Blockchain is going to turn those in-game items into assets, NFTs. So it'll be NFT gaming. So it's like, imagine whatever game you play online. Maybe it's Fortnite, maybe it's Call of Duty, maybe it's whatever. Instead of you paying for these in-game items like a sword or a skin or something like that, you'll actually own it in your like MetaMask wallet. And it'll be something you can sell on the marketplace, or you can borrow out to other people for them to go use to earn money in the game, and you can split it. It's going to make gaming the way it is now, the incumbent gaming industry, it is going to throw them out the door like Netflix threw Blockbuster in the trash. That's what it's going to do. And not to mention, think about, by the way, there's almost 3 billion people that play online games on the planet. And by far the massive majority of those people are in their 20s or earlier. So we're talking early adopters, people that have grown up with tech, people that are very tech savvy. Gaming is so obviously the first mainstream thing that's going to happen in crypto and blockchain technology. It's just before the metaverse. And then metaverse is going to be built around the games, because that's what you're going to do within the metaverse for the most part. Gaming. I mean, it's just not. Now, we're not quite there yet, but boy, there's some really, really good games on the horizon. Listen, I'm not a gamer. I don't play online games. I'm a crypto guy, and I study the shit out of these markets every day. This is what I do full time. And it's just so obvious to me that gaming, like Axie Infinity, look how big that is. Do you remember mobile gaming? Do you remember Angry Birds? Angry Birds was like the first real success in mobile gaming. But look what came after Angry Birds. Some real games. Axie Infinity is kind of like the Angry Birds, but not as big as Angry Birds. But it's like the Angry Birds. It's the first easy-to-use version of blockchain gaming, first thing to really kind of hit some adoption. But it's going to be nothing compared to where we're going. Nothing. I'm way more bullish on gaming than metaverse, because gaming is going to come first. Gaming's already here. Metaverse is still a ways away from being mass adopted and really developed enough, because it's a harder thing to tackle. Gaming's easier to tackle. And it just makes more sense again because online gaming already exists. It's just going to shift onto the blockchain, because blockchain is going to offer so many more advantages to the gamers than what they're playing now, which is them just sending all their money one way to the gaming industry. And all the things they buy, them not having value, just throwing money in the trash. But in blockchain gaming, everything you buy is going to be an NFT. It's going to be something you own, something you can sell to somebody else, something you can use in multiple different games, something you can loan out, something that can earn you money, something that you can level up and have it and increase its value by leveling up, by conquering levels, by whatever. It's just so obvious to me. And I'm not the only one screaming it. Question is, are you going to hear it? You probably not. You're probably just going to go look for I think the fire alarm's going off in my building. That sucks. Some dumbass. Saturday night, probably smoking a joint in their apartment. So I gotta go. But the question is, are you going to hear it? Odds are, 99% of people that hear me say this know what I'm saying is the truth, and they're still going to try to chase the next fucking Shiba Inu, and they're not going to have any luck at it, and they're just going to miss out. I'm so pissed right now. Can't believe it. I gotta go. Fire alarm. Be sure to go to dailycryptobull.com or the link in my TikTok bio. Take me up on my free trial of Lever Atlas, and you'll get my whole trading course for free, because trading is the most profitable thing you can do. I can't make financial claims. To me, my opinion, it is by far the most powerful thing you can do to accumulate crypto. And that's the name of the game. That's what smart money does. Whales do all that stuff. Peace out, y'all. I got to roll. Can't believe it.